And welcome back, everyone. Taking you up 9,500 feet to your Cheyenne Mountain wire nut camera. I pointed this towards Pikes Peak. It kind of gives you a cool perspective of the 14er off in the distance. Yeah, it's snow covered, but notice the clouds that are rolling around up into the mountains. And the mountains are obviously some of the more common places to be dealing with clouds. You get that airflow that lifts up over the mountain. The air condenses and then turns into clouds. And unfortunately, that's what we're dealing with tonight. Partly to mostly cloudy skies by midnight for that fireworks show. I think by about 9 p.m. we could be seeing partly to even mostly clear skies. I'll show you your futurecast here in a moment. Temps right now at 45 in Walsenburg, 27 out in Alamosa, 11 degrees in Gunnison, low 40s in Lamar. It's just been a very comfortable New Year's Eve for many folks, 32 in Woodland Park, and even Florissant at 34 degrees. I believe it was Tuesday morning, Antero Reservoir, just north of Highway 24 in Park County, hit 50 below, which marks about 4th or 5th all-time coldest temperature ever recorded in Colorado. So you won't be seeing those types of temps tonight, but still a little chilly up into the high country. Here's your radar shot. Not dealing with any precipitation at the moment, and we're staying bone dry for at least the next 6 or 7 days. So there's a very weak cold front moving through Utah right now. The only thing that's going to do is increase cloud coverage for the mountains. Not so much bring us any precipitation. Notice this low off into Texas. There's winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories for central Texas. So if you are traveling, make sure you're aware of that low off into Texas and even Arkansas area. Here's your satellite imagery, and the increase in cloud coverage just off to the west I-25. Colorado Springs, yeah, mostly clear skies. It's just one of those events that stays up into the mountains. So here's your 9 p.m. rolls around. This is just a satellite feed. Okay, so 9 o'clock, we're just fine. Pikes Peak is actually right here in El Paso County, and notice by midnight, a couple clouds start picking up for Teller County, and I do think that could cause some mostly cloudy conditions for Woodland Park and south of Woodland Park across Pikes Peak. And tomorrow morning, we're clear in Colorado Springs, but not so much into Woodland Park or across Park County. So the clouds staying up into the mountains, which isn't necessarily a good thing for the fireworks show tonight. Just keep your fingers crossed. 13 degrees in Lyman, 22 in Denver overnight tonight. Seasonal temperatures for most, 14 degrees in Lamar. And for our Friday high temperature to start off 2021, 41 degrees in the Springs, about 2 degrees below average, but still feeling pretty nice out there, mid 40s in Pueblo. And then for our weekend forecast, back into the high 40s and low 50s for most valley folks up in Woodland Park. You're sitting at 39 degrees by your Saturday, partly cloudy skies, 42 on Sunday. And notice pretty consistent temperatures through the weekend forecast and even by the start of next week with minimal rain or snow chances. Are Tuesday, another very weak low will move through the state, just causing a few flurries up into the mountains. I don't think we'll get much on I-25. Here's Canyon City, 44 degrees for your New Year's Day forecast. Partly cloudy skies, 51 by Sunday, and low 50s into the start of next week. Pueblo sitting at 49 degrees to start off your weekend, mid 50s even by Monday and into your Tuesday. That 10% chance of precipitation, I wouldn't really count on it. We're staying mostly dry for the week ahead. Here's your Colorado Springs 7-day forecast, low 50s by Sunday and into our Monday. So temperatures fluctuating about 5 to 10 degrees above average. Again, just pray for rain and snow because we need it for the upcoming summer.